Today we have a 2008 Baja 277 Islander. It's an open bow 27-foot deep V performance hull. Beautiful in-gel graphics. Includes covers. Sits on a custom tandem axle trailer. We've got a tinted windshield. Stainless rubrail. Spacious cockpit. Bimini top. Great lines. We've got an extended swim platform. Walk-through transom design. U-shaped seating along with drop-down driver and passenger bolster seats. Got an enclosed head with a potty. Wet Sounds custom stereo with Bluetooth. Beautiful helm. Carbon fiber trim. Color matched gauges. Spacious open bow. This Mercruiser 496 Mag HO. Whipple Supercharger kit. EMI Thunder exhaust. In super low 275 scanned hours. See this boat on our website, grandsportscenter.com. Call us today at 847-458-6488. Thanks for watching.